Hiya, welcome to Easy English with me, Mitch.
And me, Izzy.
On our channel, we want to help you learn and improve your English from the streets of Brighton and the UK. Here, you'll be able to integrate and immerse yourself with the English language. And with our interviews, you will learn authentic English, how it's truly spoken on the streets.
You want to tell the story?
You tell the story. I always tell the story.
Be confident. Confidence is sexy.
What's a Wetherspoons?
So it's... What a question.
Take the risk. That's it.
Do you have to drink in a pub?
No, you haven't got to drink in a pub. I drink at home as well.
That's not what I meant.
People in the UK take Huon very seriously.
Like you're so amazing, and I don't know, you don't really seem to know it that much.
After our first date, we kind of we're together.
Why don't you put that down and pick that up and have a go?
Our interviews are made for intermediate to advanced learners, but we also produce subtitles for all our episodes to help you. We'll bring you new episodes of Easy English on Wednesdays, speaking to the people of Brighton and the rest of the UK. We also have our Super Easy English episodes for beginner to intermediate learners. We want you to learn and improve your English vocabulary and pronunciation in a fun way, outside of the classroom. With our Super Easy English playlist, we give you practical and entertaining scenarios. We also have a playlist for our series of slow, easy English videos for beginner to intermediate learners, giving you slower conversations for different everyday scenarios.
We also have the Easy English podcast, which comes out on Mondays.
Available on your podcast app, Easy and I give you an insight into the culture and language of the British Isles from the perspective of a bi-national couple. Myself as a native Brit.
And from mine as a German, experiencing the positives, negatives, and quirks of integrating and immersing into British life.
If you choose to improve your English with us, then we offer exercises and learning material for both our podcast and our YouTube videos in the form of our membership that you can check out with the link up here.
Or go to easyenglish.video/membership. You will firstly be invited to join our Discord server, where you can chit-chat with us and Easy English members.
All you have to do is choose one of our packages to suit your learning needs.
For example, if you want to learn with our YouTube videos, then the video membership is for you.
We'll firstly give you a transcript from which we create an extensive vocabulary list, and from the vocabulary list we create our worksheets, giving you an odd ones out section and a fill in the blanks of the more extensive vocabulary and slang used in each episode. Next up we have our podcast membership, which, on top of getting all the perks from our video membership, provides you with the after show of the podcast and also an interactive transcript of the entire podcast. The interactive transcript follows along with the podcast and lets you translate the podcast into a variety of different languages on your phone or laptop, on the train, on the bus, at home or on the go.
If you are looking to practice your English conversation and listening skills, then the conversation membership is for you.
Come join Easy and I, plus all other conversation members, in our pub-themed Zoom call for 1 hour every week. We discuss topics ranging from the light-hearted to the philosophical. For example, hobbies, films, pets, work, language, news, lifestyle, and of course, British culture. So come hang out with us and make new friends from all corners of the globe who are also trying to improve their English.
Please subscribe below to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And become an Easy English member to further your learning experience with us.
Thank you, and we hope you enjoy the next episode. Ta-ra!
Ta-ra!